Getting there.
Okay, it's rolling.
Okay.
Okay.
Go. And to the guts. And to the tummy. Stomach.
I bet it's got a nice sized crab in it.
That's got a bunch of crab in it.
Yeah, but there's got to be one nice sized one. Oh, look at that thing. Oh, is that a... What is
Part of a fish. Vertebrae.
Yeah.
Let's see what that's got in here. Got more stuff coming.
Oh, look at that. That crab must have been huge.
Look at the pinchers on it.
Look at it. That's like...
Any more?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, looks like about it.
Oh, is that a rock?
It's a rock. Off the ocean floor somewhere.
These are not small.
Look how big the pincher was on that.
Dude, that could take off my finger.
This is a piece of salmon here. There's salmon meat in it. So it ate some salmon.